Meaning of duplicity.
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 Duplicity. Duplicity refers to deceitfulness or double-dealing behavior, commonly associated with individuals who engage in dishonest practices and lie about their actions. An example of duplicity would be someone who publicly advocates for a certain cause while secretly working against it. Duplicity can also refer to the use of ambiguous language or actions that have dual interpretations. Overall, duplicity undermines trust and honesty in personal and professional relationships, and its consequences can be severe, including damage to reputation and loss of opportunities.